carry mo siya.
Parang hindi ako na-assure.
Kuya Ben, try mo siyang i-carry, promise.
Nakita ko sa lobby si Jay galing Japan.
Hi, Sai!
He a Japanese guy now.
Kakagaling mo lang Japan ah.
Oo nga, kakalapag ko lang.
Airplane yan.
Parang feeling ko
Kasi talaga, matagal na kami nag-hangout talaga ni Joaquin, di ba?
Oh, same. Alas everyday, di ba?
You know, like, we're always here every day, right?
Mga ano natin, neighbors.
No, pagsisisihan ka to bukas. Asan na yung pusa?
Ba't nandyan kayo? Ano meron?
Nakita ko siya sa lobby. Uuwi na dapat ako eh. Parang hindi kami uuwi. Ano pangalan ng cat mo?
Noah.
It's Noah.
Ah,
Lasing ka daw, Kuya Ben?
sino sabi?
Hoy, yan.
Oy, andito na yung cat niya. Oy, Mario! Mario! Ay, no, bata. Mario.
Try mo siyang i-carry, Kuya
Ako
Ben.
ready ma-ER, ah.
Ganun mo siya, Kuya Ben. I-carry mo siya.
Takot ako kasi dati nakalimot na ako eh.
Biter talaga siya.
Fighter siya?
Yeah.
Sa bagong tao yun. Ano? God bless. Grabe! Ang dami pala dito sa condo. Na content creator.
Homeowners.
Cholo is not...
Paano kayo nagkita? Paano ano nangyari?
Hindi kasi dapat matutulog na ako tapos biglang dumating si
Nakita niya ako
Jay.
nag-struggle sa mga maleta.
Oo, tinulungan ko sa maleta niya. So, okay, sabi ko, Jay, you wanna like, drink mineral water?
Tapos papunta sa condo ni Waki?
Kumakatok, sabi ko, sino yan? Wala pala.
What do you mean? I sleep here.
Sabi ng old guy, sorry.
Sorry, Sai. I'm sorry, Sai.
Okay lang po. Okay lang.
Ako lasing 08. Sino yung mga nagkako... tara na. Inom tayo na. Ano yung mo? Minute Maid.
Tubig lang.
Water lang. Water lang.
Water lang tayo.
Blooming tayo.
Dyan.
Ha?
Mag-hangout na kayo dyan.
Hindi. We wanna talk to you.
I don't
Wanna talk about quantum physics.
Kunin mo na susi mo, tara na.
Oh, tara na. Malolos, right? Malolos is like near here.
No, it's
Malolos
not.
is like 20 minutes here.
No, it's not.
20.
Are you 18 to 20?
Are you 18 to 22 years old? If so, this opportunity may be for you. I am Lin from Las Vegas, USA.
Sige na, tama na. Live na lang. Ay, mag-hangout na lang kayo dyan.
Ala, gagi, 2,000 yung viewers niya. Nakakahiya.
Wow, yung viewers mo, 5,000 yan.
Hindi,
10,000.
no. I don't,
Naka-live na kayo ni Sai dati?
once, twice.
Once.
Galing ka bang Disney sa Hong Kong? Ano yung, ba't may Minnie Mouse pa lang?
Galing akong Japan eh.
Ay, Japan. Wow.
Like,
He a Minnie Mouse or something?
ooh,
Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse.
Tokyo ka, Osaka.
Yes, hindi ako nagmamaay. Huwag niyo
Nag-ano ako? Nag-Tokyo and Osaka.
Ay, tagal.
I went to Osaka and
Uy, nagtanong kayo. Pero ano pa yun?
That's
Tagal nun.
fire. Ha?
Nung last week pa yun. Ito
last week.
Sinuot ko lang kasi naka-headband din si Waki.
Naka-headband ka din ba, Waki? Yung Waki mo iba ating headband eh.
Ano siya, Kuya Ben?
Ano yan?
What does it look like ba?
It looks like a...
Paglasing talaga dat iniiwasan yung mga ganyan talaga.
Hindi ka What lasing? I don't even...
Lalo pag nakainom, like tipsy or what? Like kailangan...
Alcohol is like the #1 villain of, like all.
Nanggigigil ako sa'yo. Wow.
Bakit na naman? Sai, what have you been up to?
Next question, please.
Okay, next question daw. Dito na lang tayo.
Asan ba tayo?
Dito na lang tayo.
Maglasing kailangan.
My place is like, like not giving. My place is like not fire right now.
Okay. Anyway.
Nagluto ka pala? Nagluto ka.
Fire.
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm starting.
Say, wag mo akong i-judge talaga. Ilalaglag talaga kita. Ilalaglag talaga kita. Sinasabi ko sa'yo, tigilan mo yan pag-judge mo sa akin.
Manong Ben,
Yes po.
mag-ano muna ako, like, live solo muna ako.
No, we wanna hang out with you.
I don't wanna hang out with you.
I'm gonna hang out with them now.
Sige na. Good luck.
Say, I wanna know, how's your life recently? Like, how's your heart?
My heart recently, okay naman. Nothing to worry about naman.
You know what ito mo?
Mag-end ka na, Sai. Mag-end na. Mag-disconnect ka na.
I wanna interview. I wanna know how how Sai is feeling right now.
I'm good.
Yeah, good. Na-miss ka namin.
Parang hindi naman.
Huwag kang ano dyan.
Wala ka
Kinwari lang talaga. Kinwari lang talaga parang.
I'm like, you know, like,
Yeah, I missed you too.
we miss hanging out with you.
Me too. I miss hanging out with you.
I wanna ask the audience what they wanna ask.
No?
I kind of wanna like address what their curiosities are, you know, like
No. Parang you have to stop it na.
it's the first time makapunta dito kay Joaquin, nagkakalat.
First time nyo ba mag-meet?
Dalang ano.
Second time. First time namin mag-meet was in meet and greet. But I think they hang out a lot with Jay,
As neighbors.
Miranda.
Hoy, I miss you, Jay.
Miss you. Kailan ka ulit magka-QC?
Hindi talaga totoo yan.
Nagkikita lang kami nito sa QC.
Totoo ba?
Hindi kita kami lagi sa QC like sa Starbucks ata recently.
Eh, parang nakita ko nag-holding hands ni Jay.
Ano?
Anyway, guys, send your questions and we're gonna answer it in the answer.
No. Mahal niyo ako, di ba? So hindi kayo mag-send ng questions.
Solo live ka na dyan, Sai.
Yun nga feeling ko nga mag-solo live na ako.
Hey, it's not every day that we use, that we hang out like this. Ano yung status? Status.
Tigil-tigilan na natin yung mga ganyan talaga.
Hindi, no, I'm reading the status.
You don't have to read the comments.
Okay, actually, the comments don't really control us. You know, like we just live our lives.
Okay, let's say bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye! I'll see you.
Bye, Sai.
Bye! Baka mamaya
Baka sorry naman.
Abala ba kami?
Sorry kasi yung mga tao dito, nakakahiya talaga sila.
No, I want to refresh and drink some juice. Because health is wealth.
Oh, sige na. Mag-solo live ka na. Alam ko gusto mo na mag-solo live.
Feeling ko di naman niya kailangan mag-solo live kasi kilala ka na.
Kanina parang hindi ko siya kailangan, Kuya Ben. Pero ngayon parang kailangan ko na siya.
Ganito na lang, tanungin natin yung viewers, magso-solo live ba si Sai?
Yes, please. Bye.
Hindi, depende sa viewers yan. Are they gonna say yes or no? They said no. Oh my
Sabi
God.
talaga nila sa akin. Ang most send ko dito, yes.
Literally, how many no's do you see now? Jay.
Yes.
Ang no's yung nakalagay dyan?
Ay, 300 plus na.
Sa akin, sa akin yung yes, 6K.
How about like we just, hang out like the usual,
Solo live.
Tama na, Kuya Ben. Gigigil ako.
Oy, OA ka saya, akala mo naman.
Gigigil ako. Talaga.
Drink daw. Alisin mo na yung iced tea.
Ang gwapo mo naman ngayon, Kuya Ben.
Ano?
Ang gwapo mo ngayon.
Hindi ka magaganyan talaga sa I think mag-solo na siya. I think mag-solo ka na sa
Kakasada ng school.
Ang gwapo mo ngayon.
Thank you. You are too. You are being too guapo tonight.
Ang gwapo, hindi ko alam kung tama ng alcohol yan. Pero ang gwapo mo.
Anong alcohol? Of course, nag-disinfect ako dito bago ako pumunta dito.
Ang gwapo ng hairstyle mo. Ang gwapo ng suot mo. Like, very...
Yung suot ko ngayon, parang masahista ako ngayon. Oh.
hindi bagay nga sa'yo eh.
Hindi, mas bagay sa'yo yun yung headgear mo. Immaculate.
Yung sa'yo, fire.
Mas fire siya.
Mas fire ka.
No, you're fire.
No.
Fire in the hole.
Yeah. You set me ano kasi eh.
Set you on fire?
Yeah.
Gotta stop this, you know. This is like very dangerous, you know.
I know.
But the heart wants what it wants, you know. Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
yeah. What's your favorite color?
You?
Blue?
Yeah.
That's my favorite color too.
Ito ba?
Yeah, blue is fire. That's dope. Bakit?
Wala lang. Ano lang. Parang ang pogi mo lang. Nadidistract ako. Like,
Hello? Nandito ako.
Uy, kaharap, naririnig ka.
Hoy! Huwag ka na.
Wow, ha?
Nakikinig si Bugs Bunny.
Wow, ha?
ay, nakikinig ka pala. Sorry.
O, mag-solo live ka na. Hello, pinipilit mo na. Sabi, gusto mo makipag-bonding. Pinipilit
I wanna
ka
talk with,
mag-solo
ano,
live.
I wanna talk with Manong Ben na lang muna.
Go, talk
Yeah. What do you want to talk about?
Let's talk our future.
Soccer future. Ano yun? What are your dreams in the next few years? Sai?
Ikaw.
Hindi ka gaganon. Madaming matatamaan.
Ay, sorry.
Pero okay lang.
Okay lang?
Kasi ikaw din yung dream. I don't want to say this, but like,
Me too. I want to say this, but I think
you know,
fall for you.
because tonight will be the night that I will fall for you over again.
I think I might fall for you talaga, legit.
Call a friend.
Perfume hall po tayo.
Conductor tayo.
Okay ka lang dyan?
Nangayayat si Bugs.
I'm having fun talking with Manong Ben.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
I mean, by popular demand, you know, like,
As a good conversation.
yeah.
Him and heart demands.
What's the square root of 144?
12.
Hindi naman kayo kasali. Hindi naman kayo kasali doon. What's the square root of 121?
143.
Tama ka! Ang galing mo! Paano mo nalaman yun? 1432.
Hindi ka naman ganyan ah.
Hindi kasi medyo puyat na ako ngayon. I was like, you know, focused on work. And I was like,
Inaalagaan mo ba yung sarili mo?
Kumain ka na ba?
oo naman. Kumain ka na ba? Or kakainin? Kumain ka na?
Yeah.
Hindi ka nagutom.
Hindi. Diet ako.
Diet ka?
Yeah.
You don't have to. You look perfect now. You don't have to do that.
You look perfect as well.
Okay.
Not in front of my salad. Sorry.
How are you, Kuya Ben?
I'm fine. How are you? The question is, how are you?
I'm good. Lalo ngayon kausap kita, I'm totally okay.
I mean, I feel the same, but like, there are a lot of people watching, so we don't want to send the wrong impression, you know? Like,
Feeling ko may hint naman na sila.
I feel like my hints sila, but I feel like we also need to take some control, you know? Like, to tone it down a little bit.
I feel like ko hindi na natin kailangan i-tone it down kasi halata naman eh.
Halata naman.
Feeling ko kailangan na nating sabihin sa kanila talaga.
I think ikaw na siguro magsabi sa kanila. Slowly but surely, but you know, wala
Ay, wag na
masyadong.
nga lang. Wag na lang kasi baka mamaya maano nila.
The heart wants to feel what it feels.
I respect you.
I respect you too. You look so good tonight.
You too.
No, you too.
Ooh, you look so guapo tonight.
You look splendid, immaculate.
You look fire.
You look more fire.
Wilhelm. Who is stop?
No, si stop. Hindi ka magsa-stop lang.
Ayaw mo mag-stop?
No, I haven't even started.
Oh, you haven't even started? Okay, you start.
How about we both start?
Yeah, we start.
Ano mo, nasa-stress na siya. Bumili pa siya ng mineral water.
Soju na naman. Ano meron sa soju?
You know, it's like,
You gonna drink again, Manong Ben?
nobody's gonna drink. Drinking is bad for your health.
You gonna drink again. Last time sinabi mo sa akin, di ka naiinom, ngayon iniinom ka ulit.
Hala si last time.
Ba't nagalit?
Ba't naman ako?
Ba't nagagalit ka?
Ewan ko dyan, Jay. Di ko alam talaga dyan eh.
Gago lang.
How's Japan? How's Japan, Jay? Mainit, no?
Mainit, sobra.
Hindi, di ba? Sobrang init talaga. Sobrang init.
Pero ano naman, fun naman din. Nag-Universal ka ba? Or nag-Disney ka ba?
Saan ka nag-Japan? Saan ka sa Japan?
Osaka lang.
Osaka ka lang.
Tapos-
Nag-university, parang init, sobrang init.
But as in may mga sunburnt ako from waiting in line.
Really?
Ano? Universal Studios din.
O baka mabandaw kasi nakikita yung soju.
Oh.
I see.
What soju?
What soju?
Where?
Ito, film dito ah.
Mineral water lang to.
Uy, legit inom kayo.
Absolute, kaya green, mukhang soju lang. Absolute lang yan.
Pag ikaw na ban, sinasabi ko sa'yo.
Oh, nagagalit.
Nagagalit na siya. Sorry.
Ang okay din banggitin. Ay, lahat na lang, wag na lang, bawal na lang.
Gusto ko yung pet yung pasing pero
Takot, no? Sige, I'm gonna end na talaga, okay?
why?
Where's Manong Ben?
You know, grabe naman talaga ang bukang bibig ba? I feel like, you know, we don't have to make it obvious, you know? Like,
I think it's obvious naman na eh.
wait, you're asking if we need to continue the live, but people are saying no.
Pero people, ngayon sa akin, sinasabi nila mag-solo live na lang.
What? No, I'm not konyo. Like, what? No, hindi ako konyo. Sobrang repapits ako dito, pre. I mean, where's the cat? Where's the cat? What's the name of your
Hindi tayo
cat?
magkikita.
Do you wanna see the cat?
I wanna see you, not the cat.
No, the other cat. The cat. Anong cat niya? Anong name ito? Sino? Who names their cat Noah? Noah!
You have a cat? You have a pet?
No, I'm scared of cats, honestly.
May dog ka ba?
Lumalabas yung pagkaan ko dito.
May dog siya. Ay, hindi kaya pala yun.
Honestly, because I'm really scared of cats.
Like,
Kasi nakakatakot yung... Nireveal mo naman yung force ko dyan, B.
ano lang.
3% ka na, though. No, we don't end. We always keep going. Right, Sai?
Yeah, right.
Okay. Do you want to see Noah?
I wanna see you, not Noah.
Oh. Pretty direct, but I love it. You want to see the pussycat? The Noah pussycat? No? How about me, but with Noah?
You.
Nakabenta ko lang.
Ano pagsisisihan ko ba to bukas?
Feeling ko nga eh.
Pagsisisihan ko ba to?
Siyempre, nag-screen record sila eh.
Wait, is Noah
Kaso nagsisisi ka na ngayon.
Hindi Ba't ako magsisisi eh? We're living life.
You gotta hold it.
Sige,
No.
kung nagsisisi ka, okay lang. Hindi ko naman
No, of course. Hindi tayo magsisisi. If something feels natural, you won't be sisi to it. Hindi siya nagcha-charge.
Uy, baka daw maban yung ban daw kasi kita daw yung soju.
Soju? What do you mean? There's a cat.
Baka ito yung soju talaga.
Ano, pag kinalmot talaga ako nun, di talaga magpapa-anti-rabies ngayon.
Noah, bite him.
Wag na. Di ba kinalmot talaga ako nito sa leg?
Hindi ka talaga niyan, legit. Swear.
Ito. As in?
Nakakalmot yan si Noah, promise.
He's a he? Wait, why?
Nakakalmot yan, legit. Nakakalmot yan.
She's a girl.
That's not an excuse. Just not. Just because you're a kid, it doesn't. Di ba kinalmot talaga ako?
Pag ikaw nakalmot yan sa mukha, sinasabi ko talaga sa'yo.
Mag-anxiety attack talaga ako.
Ako hindi natatakot.
Ako din eh, pero... Noah, come here.
Baka makalmot legit. Tamo, sinasabi nila baka daw makalmot ka. So, please.
Baka lang. I mean, if you don't take the risk, then you won't read
Kung ako
very
yung
well.
kakalmot, okay lang.
Of course. Kalmutin mo ako kahit mahaba pa yung kuko mo.
Roar.
Kahit talagang kahit kinakalawang pa talaga yung mga nails mo, go.
Parang hindi naman siya kakalawangin.
Magpapa-anti-tetanus talaga ako for you. Noah, come here. Noah naman eh.
Hanggang restroom may mood lights ah.
Sure ka ba Noah? Parang I don't think he knows he's Noah.
Yeah, di niya
He
alam yung
doesn't.
pangalan niya. Noah, baby pa lang eh.
Albert!
Ito pala yung hashtag makalap.
Albert!
Paano mo sinusuot?
Albert, come here.
Like, walang ganun.
Timothy!
Like, how do I discipline her to do that? Wala, actually, I don't.
Sige na mag-live, mag-fun na kayo dyan.
No, stay there.
Actually,
William!
Works naman.
okay compared to...
William, come here. William, come here.
Months pa lang ba siya niya?
Come here, William.
7 months.
Baby!
And then I got her a sumo.
Ah, putang ina!
Sorry, ako yun.
Sabi ko talaga sa'yo, kakalmutin ka talaga ng malala.
Totoo. Hindi pa naman ako nagmumura talaga sa life ko lang. Sobrang kaba ko talaga.
O then stop, huwag ka na mag-live.
Yun na.
Oh.
William. What's the reason behind... What's the reason behind... Why did
Hindi ko
follow?
alam.
Kasi di ba lahat ng mga pusa, sumusunod talaga pag...
Hindi naman ganyan eh.
Paano ba? Hala, ang galing.
Ganyan pala.
Ganun
Pati
pala.
akong pusa eh.
Pusa ka dati?
Yeah.
Grabe, kaya pala.
Kaya pala.
Sige na, magbabay na tayo kay William. William!
Sino si William?
Yung pusa. Henry! Ano? Parang may konting kalmot.
Oh my God!
Vaccinated naman.
Vaccinated naman siya, no?
Hindi vaccinated siya, no? Oo nga!
Yeah, never actually. Never siya naka
Never naman.
God, may kalmot ka. Magiging pusa ka yan.
Never siya
Okay lang. I think Henry's really naturally friendly, you know?
I don't think so. Yung amo nga hindi friendly eh.
Ivy, hindi ka mag-overshare.
Ay, sorry.
Friendly ka?
Friendly, I'm friendly, di ba?
Friendly.
Diba, friend?
Hala.
Then I wanna Bro, I love you.
Magbabay na tayo, Kuya
Yung friend ko nga nakagat ng daga.
Magbabay na tayo.
Hindi ka talaga magaganon, Manong Pedro.
Bye, guys.
Bye, enjoy, have fun.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, enjoy. Bye. Enjoy kayo.
Kasi tayo, Brody. We're bonding.
Have fun.
Bye.
Ayaw daw sabi nila no.
Have fun, Manong Ben.
But we miss you already.
I'm gonna miss you too.
Ano, hindi pa ko patay, uy.
Eh, araw-araw kita na miss eh.
Hindi, parang tito niya lang ako. Tito.
You can have fun.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Mag-solo live ako.
Okay.
Wala ka nandyan pa rin siya.
Bye, everyone.
That's funny. That's really, really funny.